Hello, in front of me I've got Hyundai Santa Fe. In this video I'll show you how to start navigation route. In the beginning, let's go to map and now tap search. Here enter keywords. Select your address, set a destination and start route.
The route guidance will start now.
And it's done. If you want to stop navigation route, press X here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.